So guys, we are just 2 to 3 weeks away from the official launch of this budget and iPhone, and today we have with us little bit exciting news, and the news is that the iPhone 9 is going to be getting a little bit bigger display, and also Apple might not conduct its March event. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you the latest news regarding this smartphone. So guys, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and from smartphone world, then please consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, recently Apple has given away the CAD renders to different companies. These CAD renders are the 3D prototypes of the upcoming product, so that all of the cover manufacturers can start the manufacturing of the covers. So guys, this information has been leaked, and hence we are knowing that this iPhone will be exactly the iPhone 8 with minor changes. The Apple logo of this iPhone will come in the exact center. There is going to be a 7 megapixel front camera. There is going to be a 12 megapixel back camera. This iPhone is going to be little bit thicker, and hence you are going to be getting a little better battery life. So guys, other than this, there are no possible expectations, or there are not going to be any possible changes. But guys, according to the recent news, it is looking like this iPhone will come with a 4.9-inch display instead of a 4.7-inch display. Well guys, the 4.7-inch display is a very small display comparing to the today's standards, and hence if Apple will increase the display size with a little bit increase, still it is well appreciated. Because guys, a 4.7-inch display is the exact same display carried forward from the iPhone 6, the 6s, the 7 and the 8, and now in the upcoming iPhone 9. So guys, if the display will increase by a slight amount, like just 0.2 inches is a very small measurement, and you will not feel the difference very drastically. But guys, if Apple will increase the display size in this iPhone, then so guys, other than the display, everything else is confirmed. Guys, we are knowing every single factor about this budget and iPhone, but there is a little bit change, and that is due to the coronavirus, the shipment might get delayed. Apple will launch the iPhone on 31st of March. It is looking like that, but the shipments might just be little delayed. The delay might be of 7 days to 14 days. We really don't know about that, but Apple will launch these products, all of the products of the March event on 31st of March. So guys, other than the display, we are knowing every single factor about this iPhone. Guys, there is only one confusion that many people have, and that is the delay in the launch date. Well guys, due to the impact of coronavirus, the delay was expected in all of the upcoming Apple products. On 31st of March, earlier it was expected that Apple will conduct an event in which they are going to be launching all of their latest stuff. Well guys, let me tell you one thing, that Apple might not conduct a physical event. Instead, they will conduct an online event. In that online event, they will just update all of these products on their website, and will give you the trailers, or will give you a short video clip of this product. So guys, whenever a big company plans to conduct an event, people from all over the world have to accumulate or have to go to that event, so that they can attend the live event and can share this information. But guys, due to the impact of the coronavirus, if every single person from all other regions will come together, then it can lead to a coronavirus outbreak in that particular region. So guys, it is looking like Apple will not conduct a physical event. Instead of that, Apple might just update all of the products on their official website, and later on it will provide you the shipment dates. So guys, this smartphone is going to be starting with $399 of price tag, and in India this iPhone will start at 30,000 to 35,000 Indian rupees. Most likely Apple will not increase the price tag above 35,000 rupees, and guys, this iPhone will come in India in the last week of April. So guys, I am going to be keeping you updated regarding this smartphone, and after the launch of this iPhone even, I am going to be giving you the latest information. So guys, there is one little request, and that is please consider subscribing to our channel. I want to increase our community to 10,000 subscribers as soon as possible, and guys, it can only happen with your support. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,